A hidden Samsung feature you should use before sending your phone for repair. Most Samsung users don't even realize their phones have this brilliant built-in feature. It's called maintenance mode. It's designed to protect your privacy when someone else, like a technician, needs to access your device for repair. In this video, I'll walk you through what maintenance mode actually is, how to enable and use it, what gets blocked during the mode, how to safely return your phone to normal, and whether other brands offer anything similar. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. What is maintenance mode? Imagine you need to hand over your phone to a repair shop. You're probably worried about your personal data, right? Here's what happens when you activate maintenance mode. Your private data like photos, messages, social media apps, and accounts completely disappear from view. It looks and behaves like a fresh device. Technicians can still test and fix the hardware or software. And once you exit the mode, everything is restored exactly the way it was. How to turn on maintenance mode. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on Battery and Device Care. 3. Scroll down and select Maintenance Mode. 4. Tap Turn On. 5. Restart your phone when prompted. When your phone powers back on, it'll be in maintenance mode. A small notification will appear at the top to confirm this. What's locked during maintenance mode? While it's active, no one can access your personal files, apps, or accounts. Even if someone tries to browse your photos or check your WhatsApp, they won't find anything. Incoming calls and messages are hidden. It looks like the phone has been wiped, but your data is 100% safe and untouched. How to exit maintenance mode. Once the technician is done or you've finished troubleshooting, swipe down to access notifications. Tap on Exit Maintenance Mode. Follow the on-screen instructions. The phone will restart and everything, your apps, accounts, media, will reappear like nothing ever changed. Is this available on other phones? Currently, this feature is exclusive to Samsung devices running One UI 5 or newer. Samsung developed this tool specifically for added privacy, and it's not part of standard Android. Other phone brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, and Huawei don't offer a full equivalent yet. Some may have partial alternatives like guest mode or app lock, but they don't offer the same depth of privacy or control. Maintenance mode is a lifesaver. It gives you full confidence when handing your phone to someone else without needing to delete or move anything. Your data stays private, secure, and hidden, and it all comes back with one tap. If you've got a Samsung phone and haven't used this yet, you're missing out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more essential privacy tips. See you in the next one.